Hello, biologists! Welcome back to Smart Biology Hub. Let's play a quick game. If I sneeze and tiny drops fly out, can those droplets spread diseases? Wait till the end to find out. Communicable diseases are illnesses that spread from one person to another through air, water, food, or contact. Examples: common cold, flu, COVID-19, cholera, and tuberculosis. Take a balloon filled with water and poke a small hole. Watch how water spreads around. Just like that, germs spread through sneezes or coughs. So, what stops the spread? I'll reveal the secret germ blocker in the next video. Don't forget to like and share. Stay safe and smart with Smart Biology Hub.